Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie, but today I'm so excited because I'm doing another collab with another beautiful YouTuber. Her name is Trish and she has a YouTube channel called Unique BeauTs. And I do highly suggest you head on over to her channel. She is brand new to YouTube and she does a lot of cool things on her channel. She does reviews and makeup looks and a whole bunch of different things, and she is such a sweetheart and I just adore her with all my heart. And I want you to head on over to her channel, subscribe, like, and I really think you're gonna love her as much as I do. She's such a sweetheart. Today we're gonna do a Easter type of look, eyeshadow look, and we are both using this palette right here. This is the BeBella Cosmetics Life in Pastel palette. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. They're just beautiful, springy colors. And we each picked each other's eyeshadow colors. So she picked 5 colors. I picked for her 5 colors. And we are going to be creating a look using the colors that we picked for each other. Now the colors that she picked for me are it is Lemon Drop, this light blue color right here, and then this color right here, which is called Celestial, and it's kind of like a green shimmer shade. And then these 2 green colors down here, they almost look a little bluish on the camera, but they are green. One is called Aquamarine and the other one is called Aura. And then, just for fun, she added this beautiful yellow shade in there as well. And I also added that yellow shade in the colors that I chose for her. So head on over to her channel after you're done watching my video. I will have her channel in the description box below, and see what look she created using the colors that I chose for her. I do want to apologize for the way my skin looks right now. My eyelid is still a little puffy. I've had a bout of eczema with my rosacea, and slowly but surely it is going away. So I do have a spot on my eyelid, I have a spot on this eyelid, and then my cheek is still kind of messed up, but it is slowly but surely going away, thank goodness. Unfortunately, I have hormone issues right now and other stressful things going on, so my skin decided to tell me to go where you know where. So that is the issue with my skin right now. I'm going to go ahead and get my base on, and then we're going to move on to the eyeshadow look. Okay, so we have our base on and we're going to go ahead and start with this eyeshadow look. And I am going to go in with that light blue shade up top that again was called Lemon Drop, and it is this little blue shade right here. I'm going to do that as my transition shade. So that is kind of what I'm moving towards. So now we're going to go in with a slightly darker shade, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is the Aquamarine shade, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid and bring it in just a tad and a little bit in that crease. These 2 shades, this light one up here and this dark one down here, they're not that far off, so it doesn't look like it's showing up too much as a different color on my eye. It is a pretty shade though. Other than that, they're very pigmented, they're beautiful, they're blending out very nice. So far I really like this palette. Alright, so now we're going to go in with that darker green color, and that is right here, that's called Aura. And we're going to take that on the outer corner of our lid, bring it just a little bit in. We're just going to deepen up that area right there. I'm going to keep the shade as close to in my crease as I can without making it blow up too much, because we don't really want to blow it up, we want to darken. So now we're going to go in with this shade right here. This is Celestial, and we're going to put this all over the lid. Now we're going to work on the lower lash line, and we're going to go in with that dark Aura color along the lower lash. Not totally bringing it into the inner corner because you don't want your eyes to close in. You want to keep them bright. So I'm only taking that to make this part of my eye all flow into each other. So you want the top flowing in with the bottom. So now I have one more shade that I'm going to be using, and it is that gorgeous yellow shade. And this is a beautiful yellow shimmer shade. I'm actually going to just take that shade and put it on the inner corners using my pinky, and hopefully it turns out the way I think it's going to. Okay, I know it kind of looks weird right now, but we're going to do liner, lashes, and mascara, and that'll usually wrap up a look and make it look a little more put together, because sometimes things look a little wonky before you add all of the rest and get your final look. So I'm going to go ahead, get liner, mascara, and lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the final look. This is my Easter inspired eyeshadow look. I think it turned out really fun, and I do think the lashes, mascara, and liner kind of brought it all together. I really do like it a lot more than I thought I was going to. Be sure to head on over to Unique BeauTs YouTube channel and check out the look that she created using this palette. And remember to like and subscribe to her channel. She is such a sweetheart. I absolutely love her, and I know you're going to love her too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to this video if you haven't already, as well as hitting that little notification bell next to the subscribe to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.